Hey guys, JS Railfan 2001. I caught a Union Pacific 3055 northbound on Fresno Sub, an intermodal Z train. Once again, guys, I like Railfanning trains and church bells. Several years ago, I forgot to talk about myself. Since last time, McKinley Avenue, BNSF Railway, and Divisadero Street Union Pacific Railroad in Fresno, California was amazing. Last time I posted the duel about McKinley Avenue, BNSF Railway, and Divisadero Street Union Pacific Railroad in Fresno, California. Both streets that they got. Sometimes JS Railfan 2001 doesn't know how to use live streams with my webcam. Since it's been a while ago, I put videos and short videos on YouTube. That's what I thought. Since I like it, I post to Railfan like Worlds is in San Diego trains when I record. In Oceanside, Carlsbad Village, Encinitas. Yeah, I like it. However, I went to church by the Shrine of St. Therese. I worked there because I catch money to put for the basket for my boss named Father Ivan. Yeah, I like it. Since last time I caught 2 trains and southbound of California, Avenue 80 rail crossing and Tulare Avenue rail crossing a year ago last year. That's why I like. However, guys, so almost summer is upcoming. Since I need to take a break for Railfan of summer, so we're almost there. In May, I Railfan Cunningham Road Rail Crossing, La Grande, California, 2026. And Railfanning Florin Road Rail Crossing, Sacramento, California, on Fresno Sub. Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. If you want to subscribe. For learn more information, visit on JS Railfan 2001. Well, thank you. Just ignore Dan Silva and Bobo Guerrero. Bye, guys. God bless you.